Welcome to Arthur's Garden and Life. I've been a little bit under the weather, so my voice ain't gonna be quite as good as it was. Anyway, here's our ginger plant growing here inside the back porch. And I got a few others. Well, they're not gingers, but anyway. Figured I'd kind of take you for a tour a little bit today. I got some lemongrass over here that we're getting ready to put in some bigger pots. And a few pepper plants that are hanging in there. We're going outside now in the backyard. Remember before I had all these celery plants? Well, celery's still going. Celery's doing fine. I put them in bigger pots, which they needed. And we got these guys. My wife calls them the soldiers because they just keep going. How about somebody write in the comments and tell me what these are? Because I don't know. Got some more gingers over here. I got ginger in the grow room also. So I'll be doing okay on ginger. This is the just a tree. Anyway, keep moving, Arthur. Keep moving. I'm giving you an update on the green beans. Green beans looking good. They might be getting a little bit too much sun though. I don't know. They kind of closed up their solar panels, but they're hanging in there. Coming right around. I put some bunch of onions in this bed here. There's yet to show themselves, but we got. My wife's got her grapevines going here, and the grapes are doing what grapes do. Yes, sir. I got two of them. Made them a little trellis up here. We got an eggplant that decided it would join us again, and one that can't make up its mind. Anyway, moving right along. Here's another flower. I don't know what it is. If you could please write in the comments, tell me what this is. But it's doing well. You can see it's growing. It likes the hot weather. And the other day I found this tomato plant that I didn't plant, or at least I don't think I did. And it decided to volunteer. I got a couple more over here that are, let me go back here. Yeah, I know, I gotta work on the place, but that's okay. These were grown in the grow room, tomato plants. I got them fastened down back here. I got another volunteer also back here, compost bins. There's my other volunteer. Yes, sir. The mulberry bush is doing well. one around it. Then we got lemon tree and my other lemon tree. My oh, let me show you this too while I'm at it. This swing broke, and my wife loves to sit in the swing in the cool air and swing. And you know, we just had Mother's Day, and I got out here and worked my butt off. Kind of sick too, but I still worked my butt off, and I made her this swing. It's solid as a rock too. Everything's screwed together. I saved the old chains and some of the hardware, and took the back end of a bed and put it for the back. We're gonna paint it. Kind of a shame too to paint it, but that's okay. I love my wife. I want her to be happy. This is Arthur for Arthur's Garden and Life. Thank you all for liking and subscribing. Thank you for your comments. I appreciate y'all telling me what them flowers are, what them plants are that I mentioned earlier. Y'all be blessed, and bye for now.